Hey, you guys are here. Welcome to the Jumia warehouse. You know, we're kind of in the middle of Black Friday, so things are a little bit hectic. Forgive the noise. But we're gonna be taking you guys through. I had completely forgotten that the interview was for today. But yeah, welcome to Black Friday. This is what it looks like. So many people doing so many things, so many loud things everywhere. It can't get better than this. Yeah. Come on, let's go. All right, so this is the inbound section. Vendors usually bring their drop-off items and they drop them off here. Isn't that pretty cool? Yeah, so they'll come in through here, they'll drop them off here, then our team will take them apart and put them back together.
Oh wow! Jumia Black Friday ya kusitula bizitowa oba kugula bintu. Because if it's kusitula bizitowa, solo kusitula bingi stock balina mungi. I can take a lot.
Outbound, where things are bound to be out. Yeah, well, the guys here, they package your items, pack them together, put them together, and then they usually exit from this very door. So this is where marketing sits. Well, I'm gonna take you guys in, so it'll be fun. Hi, everybody.
Matthew, did you post the countdown on the platform?
That, ladies and gentlemen, is Maria. She's our chief marketing officer. I'm gonna keep you in her capable hands. Looks like I have a little bit of work to do. But this is marketing. Yeah? Welcome.
So Black Friday is one of the easiest times of the year for the marketing department. We get to play a lot because we are experimenting with different ideas, trying out different things. So the team is pretty relaxed, I'd say. Right, Julius? Okay, everybody, let's get together for our weekly brainstorm session on how we are going to get this Black Friday going. Yeah, let's do it.
I have some ideas.
Yes, Alvin.
All right, so you know how we deliver stuff, right? Mm-hmm. How about we deliver with clowns? Yeah, clowns. We deliver with clowns. That's fun, that's fresh.
Okay, does anyone else besides Alvin have any other ideas?
Hey, Emma, I need some artwork changed. There was some last minute changes that Maria asked us to change. Do you mind helping me out?
We've done this a lot of times. Okay.
Yeah, so we just need to change the dates and then the colors as well. But I'm pretty sure it's something you can do very quickly, right?
Ah, cool. That's okay. That's all right.
Thank you so much.
All right. Welcome.
Thanks, you're the best. All right, so now we're going to commercial. There are those guys that are in charge of all the products and, you know, onboarding the vendors onto the app. It's really cool. It's really cool. Let's go.
My name is Stephen Lamogne. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer here at Jumia, Uganda. Black Friday. So Black Friday is upon us from the 1st to the 30th of November. And Black Friday is one of our biggest campaigns of the year. I mean, for me, Black Friday is a very exciting season because it's an opportunity for us to collaborate with lots of brands and partners to get amazing offers, unbelievable in some circumstances. It's also a very good time for us as a team to bond and grow. So Black Friday is a period of lots of activity because our teams have gone out to negotiate these offers. Our teams are collaborating. It's also a very good time for us to grow as a team because when you think of Jumia, you think of it as a family.
Hi, Steve.
Oh, hey.
I need an approval for this.
Okay.
I really need it immediately.
Who is this? Fashion Center.
Steve, can you please approve this?
Okay.
Something to do with CV, but you don't give me approval. Could you first help me with this because it's very urgent. We need it before end of the day because we really need
guys. Hey, man.
help us.
Okay. Yeah, guys, come on, man. Ah, man, I'm super stressed. Like, lots of stuff to do, approvals. so much. We need to inbound a lot of product. Yeah, I mean a lot, huh? We just have a few days to the campaign. Yeah, I think I should just call it a day, huh? Okay, I mean, yeah, I'll be at the warehouse. See you. All right, cheers.
Hey, Steven, they need you inside.
Okay? All right.
All right, so that was commercial. Now we're gonna go check out HR. I wonder what they have planned for people this time around. The last time I didn't win anything. So I'm gonna make sure we catch that before they catch these hands. I'm joking. All right, and over here we have HR.
Matthew, I'm in the middle of a meeting. Can you please come back later?
Okay, I guess we're gonna come back to HR later. I just saw Kathy get out of the room. It's the perfect time to ambush Whisper.
It's Black Friday. I'm excited. The way we are excited about our customers, I'm also excited about the engagement we will be able to roll out for the team. So apart from celebrating our customers, we're also celebrating Jumia as a company. So what we will be doing, we'll have some exciting activities for staff. And of course, it's also looking forward to the end of the year party where we can have all the vibes and fun with all the team together. So about Black Friday, you'll be able to get exciting deals. They're mind-blowing. Ensure you utilize part of that money you've saved for Christmas holiday to buy something for your family, and you will not regret it.
Guys, one more interview and we're done. We're gonna be talking to Kevin, head of supply chain. Hopefully he can supply me a new washing machine. Come on.
We're here today to demonstrate how we're going to be having a very happy Black Friday. As you can see, background is the warehouse, 6,000 square meter warehouse, very well prepared to handle all the orders. We'll be delivering packages from Kampala to Arua within a period of 3 days, which is quite exciting. We've prepared quite immensely. We have hired more than 210 people. They'll be working across the clock to ensure that packages are being delivered to the customers. We have prepared outside Kampala. The party is not just only in Kampala, but outside Kampala, touching all borders of the country. From here all the way to Kabale, from here all the way to Arua. We're delivering and ensure that customers are happy with Black Friday. Better deals, faster delivery timelines, and the best deals across the country.
Thank you so much for joining me today. That marks the end of the tour. We had so much fun with you guys here. Hopefully you got to see the amount of work that's going on into Black Friday. And hopefully you guys will be shopping and taking advantage of that 60%, yeah? You better. Anyways, shop Jumia. Jumia is Sazeo. Yeah. I'm just gonna get out of the frame now. We're done.